now I've arrived at my accommodation and I've unpacked a bit. I'm gonna show you guys my room real quick. Oh, by the way, my room is ensuite. Means macam ada toilet sendiri and bilik seorang. So this is the entrance of the room. And then here ada rak-rak. So I put a lot of stuff, so I decided to letak makanan. And then shoes. Kat bawah ni. And then this is the room. Cupboard, almari. And then to my right I had a toilet, but we'll see that in a bit. And then this, I love that this table has so much space. Besar gila kan? Oh my god, I can't. And then like a lot of like buku, everything we want. And then the view, later I show you guys the view. Tak cantik pun because it's belah the parking. So this is the view from my room. There's nothing much. Mostly there's just trees over here. And like right over there, there's like the sports center, I think. I'm not quite sure. But the sky, I don't mind having this view because I can freely open my door and open the thing up and no one will see me. Mirror selfie. And then a table, a bit simple. And this is my katil. Yes, it's kind of cute. Yes, and that's about it. Oh, toilet, lupa. Switch. Ta-da! This is my toilet. I had extra cupboard space over there. Toilet. Ding! And the most important part of the room, bathtub. Yeah, I haven't cleaned it yet. Yelah baru sampai kan. So thank you everyone if you've reached this point. Please subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe, okay? And yeah, it's 3 o'clock in the morning right now. I still haven't adjusted to the time here. Still jet lag lagi. And I'll give a proper room tour later in the future. But now, cadar pun tak ada. Sumpah macam bantal pun tak ada. Sumpah tidur macam homeless. Selimut pun tak ada. I tidur dengan gloves. So sejuk nak mampus. Sedih kan? So I'll give a proper room tour later. And then maybe some university tour or whatever. Because I haven't toured around the campus yet. So sekarang tengah self-isolation. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye!